Thanks for watching today and joining me for something a little bit different. My nails are always short, always brittle, always breaking. It was really fast, really easy. There was no odor. You don't have to use a UV lamp. Easy, fast, quick, low odor, and hopefully long lasting. If you're familiar with doing your own nails at home, this kit really isn't that much different. It has a little prep so you can clean the oil off your nails, the base coat, 2 coats of base coat. That's a little bit different because you need to warm it up in some hot water. So I'm going to pop that in now. If it gets cloudy or thick, then it doesn't set up correctly. And then you do 2 coats of lacquer, 1 coat of the top coat, and then this is a little rescue bottle if you need to make your lacquer or your base coat or your top coat a little bit thinner. So you just put a few drops and they give you a little dropper that you can use. The key to prepping your nails when you already have lacquer on is not to get it on your other nails. So the base coat is warmed up, it is clear, and that's the key to this system, making sure that the base coat, which you're going to put 2 coats on, is clear before you start. I actually tried this system in salon and had it professionally done the first time over the summer. I did not have very good luck with it lasting. It actually popped off and chipped within a couple days. So I'd even ordered the home kit to try it at home, but I returned it and decided that the system just wasn't worth the time, effort, and money. But Beth at Refreshingly Wrinkled on Instagram, Mary at Skin Obsessed Mary, and Nicole Johnson all swear by this system. And decided to try it with you here and see if we can get this to last better. Apparently the tech that did my original manicure was a very new tech, and the salon owner apologized profusely and actually gave me the mini kit for free. The key to applying the base coat is that you make sure these dry down matte before you put the next layer on. While I let these dry down, I wanted to show you the 2 polishes that I've been using. This is the Essie Express Quick Dry, and I also have been using the Sally Hansen's Insta Dry. So these are great products, but they last a couple days, 2 or 3 days, and then they start to chip. But they're quick, they're easy. I can do them right before I go out the door. You can see these are drying matte, kind of a little bit cloudy looking, so we're going to put our second coat on. The first coat took about 60 seconds to dry, so I'm going to give this 2 minutes. And make sure they're well dry and they kind of turn to that sort of matte satin look before I put the polish on. I let these dry down for closer to 3 minutes. They didn't get quite as matte. They're more of a satin finish, but they are dry to the touch, and I'm going to move on with my polish, 2 coats of polish. I've let these dry down for about 3 minutes. I'm going to put on my top coat. I'm going to let these dry down for about a half an hour. Here's how they turned out. I think they turned out so pretty. I love the less is mauve color. It's just such a natural color. Like I said, I don't like to draw a ton of attention to my hands. My nails are always short, always brittle, always breaking, and it just takes so much effort for them to grow. But I'm really excited to have discovered the Dazzle Dry system. I'm going to give it a try for a month. I will definitely take a picture in a week and let you know how these lasted. But I'd love to be able to get my nails to grow just a little bit longer than they do naturally. This kit was definitely easy. The drying time between each step was like 1 to 3 minutes, so the total time was maybe 15-20 minutes to complete the entire manicure. So it was really fast, really easy, and it has very low odor. Sometimes the nail polishes can be so strong and have such a strong smell. So it was really nice. There was no odor. You don't have to use a UV lamp. I'm definitely not a fan of a lot of the fear-mongering that goes on in the beauty industry, but I think given the recent studies, there is a reason to be cautious about the UV lamps that are used to cure gel nails. I think we should limit the amount of time that our hands are exposed to UV light. There's definitely some concern for the possibility of skin cancer, and anytime we can mitigate that possibility, I think it's important to listen. I'll link the article down below if you'd like to read further. They definitely seem a little more sturdy than regular nail polish. Kind of a similar feel to the quick dry nail polish that I typically use, but we'll see if these last a little bit longer. Like I said, I usually get 2 to 3 days out of the quick dry nail polish, either the one from Essie, the Essie Express, or the one from Sally Hansen's, their Insta Dry. Here are my nails in natural sunlight after 6 days. You can see there's some wearing on the ends of each nail, a few little chips on the edges. My activity this week was pretty typical. I did some moving, housework, a little bit of snow shoveling, but nothing out of the ordinary. I think they definitely protected my nails during the activity during the week. I think they would have been a lot worse off, and I did get a little bit of growth, which is nice. Are they as good and long-lasting as gel nails? No. But are they healthier? Yes, they come off with just regular polish. So I'm gonna be redoing my nails tonight because we're headed to my daughter-in-law's baby shower, so I'm very excited about that. This is definitely a system that's less destructive than gel nails, and I'm gonna give it another try. Need to pick up some of the ridge filler. As you can see, I have deep ridges in my nails, and I'm wondering if perhaps putting some ridge filler on before I do them will help make them last a little bit longer. So bottom line, are they as good as gel nails? Probably not. Are they easy? Definitely easy. Are they cost effective? Definitely cost effective, and 100% healthier. I'm really hoping this will be my new go-to nail system. Like I said, easy, fast, quick, low odor, and hopefully long lasting. If you've tried the Dazzle Dry system, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear what your experience is. And if you haven't tried it, I'll leave a link down below. You can go check it out. So thanks for watching today and joining me for something a little bit different, and wishing you guys a skintastic day.